Years ago, during my pediatric residency, I made a life-changing vow. I swore that if any future job ever interfered with my daily workouts, I'd quit. I took this vow because pediatric residency kicked my butt. It was the only time in my adult life that I didn't exercise regularly. I worked 70 hours a week, and every 4 days I had a 28-hour call shift, usually without any sleep. The pace at work was super hectic, to say the least. I would often have lunch around 5 p.m. on the go. Dinner time was often at 2 or 3 in the morning on the go. The environment was extremely demanding, and I was surrounded by a few bullies. I remember feeling constantly exhausted, a level of fatigue I had never known. I used to joke that every 28-hour call took a week off my life. So when I was close to the end of residency, I made that vow. Now I understand how this vow might seem irresponsible on the surface. After all, I'm a doctor, and I've worked my whole life to become one, and to serve and improve children's health and well-being. I also have a family to support, bills to pay, and future plans and dreams. But my job and my workouts are metaphors for my life. My job represents the ogre that is always hungry and will consume all of my time if I let it. And I don't want my life to revolve solely around career, promotions, and accomplishments. My job is a metaphor for the global capitalist machine that mostly cares about profit, competitiveness, and growth. Medicine today, to a significant extent, is about how many patients you can see per hour. Like most jobs, it's about productivity and revenue, sometimes at the cost of our well-being and happiness. Jobs are also microcosms for society, which grooms us from an early age to view money, social status, and consumption as the ultimate measures of success. And as a result, we grow up with a mandate to ride the horse Thich Nhat Hanh once wrote about. If you're not familiar with it, it's a Zen story about a man riding a horse and galloping so quickly he looks like on an urgent mission. Another man standing by sees him and yells, "Where are you going?" And the man riding the horse replies, "I don't know. Ask the horse." My daily workouts, on the other hand, are metaphors for my well-being, my happiness, and life as I chose to live it. Vowing to quit any job that gets in the way is me saying, I'm sovereign, and I understand the two fundamental truths about my life. It's my most precious possession, and it's a finite amount of time and energy. I know I must die. I will therefore strive to live a full life and live on my terms. Sovereignty beats everything. It beats money, social status, and consumption, because time is a finite, fleeting gift that can be reclaimed at any moment. Our modern life can feel like a horse that's galloping too fast in a direction we don't intend to go. A horse we feel compelled to ride because we have social and financial responsibilities, or because we believe that successful people are fast riders. When you take a vow like the one I took and prioritize something seemingly trivial, like working out, over life's greater responsibilities, that allows you to slow down the horse. It helps you find a balance where you could still be a productive member of society without sacrificing your well-being your happiness, and your sovereignty. Ultimately, it's a way to guide that horse in the direction of your choosing.